everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are start here question number 11 of chapter 4 DAV Maths class 8 and our chapter name is direct and inverse variation. So here this is our question number 11. The total cost of 15 newspaper is rupees 37.50. Find the cost of 25 newspaper. In this question we have given that the total cost of 15 newspaper is rupees 37.50 and we have to find in this question that the cost of 25 newspaper, the cost of 15 newspaper we have given 37.50, but here we have to find the cost of 25 newspaper. So firstly we have to make here the table for this question. I write here number of newspaper, number of newspaper. In second box I write here cost in rupees. So here number of newspaper is equal to 15 and the cost of 15 newspaper is rupees 37.50. So we have to find the cost. To let the cost be x and write 24 in the line, 25 newspaper in the line of this number of newspaper here 25. So from here this 25 is greater than this 15. This 25 is greater than this 15. So means here the quantity is increasing. So the cost of 15 newspaper is 37.50 rupees. So the cost of 25 newspaper will be more than the cost of 15 newspaper. So this quantity will also increase. So here both quantity are increasing here. So it is a question of direct variation and we know the formula of direct variation here. X upon y is equal to k constant. So x 15, this 15 upon 37.50 is equal to 25 upon x. Now by cross multiply, x multiply by 15, x multiply by 15 is equal to this 25 multiply by 37.50. Now from here we have to find the value of this x. X is equal to 25 multiply by 37.50 upon this 15 is in multiply here. Now it becomes in division here upon 15. And then 7 plus 5, 12, 12, 3, 15. Divide 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, here 0, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. 5 1s are 5 and 5 5s are 25. Here decimal is put here. X is equal to 5 multiplied by this 12.50. X is equal to 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 2 is a carry, 5 2 is 10, 11, 12, 1 is a carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. From here the decimal is before 2 digit. So we put here decimal before 2 digits. So our answer is rupees 62.50. This is the answer of this question. So from here the cost of 25 newspaper is rupees 62.50. So that's all in today's video.